Welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how we can create videos with consistent character. So go to subject reference and confirm these terms. As you can see guys, these are the terms you have to confirm. Now we have to add a subject reference in order to generate videos. So I am selecting this subject. Now we can also crop the subject. So we have to crop the face only. We don't have to select its whole body. So I'm just going to select its face and let's crop. Now let's click on the confirm and now we can generate video with this subject consistency. Now just type simple prompt. So I just type person is riding a motorbike in Tokyo City. City is empty, night time, different color of light illuminating. Now if you want to generate video with subject reference, it will take your 45 credits. So let's click here to generate this video. So the video is now generated. Here we have the result, and as you can see guys, with the subject reference we are creating consistent video. Now you can create multiple scenes if you want to, so let's do that. So now I'm going to create a video where this subject is a pirate. So in order to write a prompt of a pirate, I'm going to take the help of the designer. So let's type a pirate boy in a ship in stormy weather. Now we don't have to write anything. We can just click on this enhance prompt and it will enhance the prompt for us. Now just copy this prompt. Go to Hello AI. We can paste this prompt. Now let's make this character a pilot. A young pilot. Now I have typed a young pilot flying plane, beautiful forest. We can enhance this prompt, and if you write some spelling mistake, it will also fix your spelling mistake as well. Now we can copy this prompt, go to Hello AI, we can paste this prompt, and let's add this video in a queue. Now I have typed a young boy playing with its toy. Let's click on this enhance to enhance this prompt as well. Now we can copy this prompt. We can go to this Hello AI, we can paste this prompt. And now we can add this in a queue as well. Now I have another idea in my mind. A young boy laughing and the camera will zoom in and enter into its mouth. Let's enhance this prompt and hopefully we will get a better prompt. A young boy with joyful expression, his eyes sparkling delight with his mouth wide open, camera moving, capturing the detail of his teeth and the inside of the mouth. Yes, this is good. We can copy this prompt, we can paste this prompt, and now let's generate this video as well. Now with the help of labs.google image fx Imagen 3 model, I have generated this image man with ski mask front view, and I have downloaded this image. Let's use this as a subject reference. So now we can cancel this subject. Now we can add another subject. Now I'm going to click here to crop, or as you can see guys, you can see my character. You will get to your characters. If you go back, we can also swap the character, or you can delete your character as well. So now I'm going to just crop, and now let's click on the crop. Let's confirm. Now I have typed this prompt: man wearing a ski mask sitting on a couch and a big fire happening in the background. So let's add another N. And now let's add this video in a queue. Now I have typed man driving a car hyper speed. So hyper speed is a shot where everything goes crazy. So now I'm going to enhance this prompt. Now we can copy this prompt and let's review the prompt first. I think the prompt is good. Now let's paste this prompt and let's generate this video. So I have generated these images. So this is the prompt: anime style a man front view. And as you can see guys, these are some result. So now I'm going to download this image. So let's add this as another subject. Now I'm going to show you how we can control expression of a subject. Now we can crop this. Let's confirm this. Now go to Microsoft Designer and I'm going to type a person. I want my subject to first laugh, then smile, then cry. So now we can copy this prompt. Go to Hello AI, we can paste this prompt. Now let's generate. So all the subjects video are now generated. Here we have the pirate one video. As you can see guys, the subject is stay consistent in all of these videos. Now we have a plane flying video. And as you can see, the subject is stay consistent in whole video. Now we have this example where a young boy playing with a toy. And as you can see guys, our subject is stay consistent. Now this is an experiment video where I want my camera to move and enter into this person's mouth. And we got this weird result. This is like a horror clip. Let's delete this clip. Now we have another subject example, man wearing a ski mask sitting on a couch and a big fire happening in the background. And as you can see guys, the subject stay consistent and we have a pretty good generated AI video. Now again with the camera enter into the mouth, we got this weird result. But my point is the character, the subject is consistent. Now I regenerated camera enter into mouth video and I just type this simple prompt. Camera move in capturing the detail of its teeth and inside of its mouth. And we got this result. And as you can see guys, the result is improved a lot. So if you are not getting the result that you want, just try to regenerate your clips. Try to tweak some words here and there. Now we have this shot of hyper speed. And as you can see guys, the subjects stay consistent. And we have this crazy shot. And now as you can see guys, the expression videos are now generated. And here's the first one. As you can see guys, we can control the expression of the subject. We have another example. Now with this subject, I have write a person sitting on a chair with explosion happening in the background. Expression starts off happy, suddenly turn to surprise and then shift to sadness. And as you can see guys, we got this incredible result. I have the second variation as well. And as you can see guys, in this variation, we did not get the sadness. Now let's check out some other example of subject reference. So as you can see guys, with this prompt, with this subject, we got this result. And with the same subject, as you can see guys, with this prompt, we got this result. With the same prompt, I recreated that video and now this time we got this result. So if you recreate your video, then your result will do better in most of the cases. Now with the different subject, with the same prompt, this is what we got. Now with that same subject, with this prompt, this is what we got. Now you can also express the emotion of your character. As you can see guys, in this prompt I write, man face slightly tilt downward and his tear glistened in the light as they fall. And now check out the result. We have these amazing expression. We have the tears in the eye. Everything looks great. Now go ahead and create your own video using the subject reference. And don't be scared to do experiment things, because the more you create, the more you understand this tool.